Today I'm going to show you how to use Spintax in your bulk RCS sends so you can automatically alternate these messages. So what is Spintax? Here on the screen you can see that there's this option here for hello and hi, how are you? So every time he sends bulk messages, he will alternate between these messages. He'll send it eventually, hello, everything is fine. And again, hi, how are you? So you can make 1, 2, 3, however many Spintax devices you want. Here I'm going to go into Spintax. You can see that here is the variation 1, 2, 3. So in this case, you can create up to 16 Spintax, okay? That's 16 different messages. So how are you going to do it? There are two options. The option to put, just like I did here, hi, hello, how are you? Good afternoon, you can add that too. So you have this option to change only the beginning of your message. Or you can alternate the entire message, okay? So let's go, let's use a message with a link. Just watch, I'll copy the variable, paste it, done, put it in, now I'll get another message. Copy it, paste it into variable 2, done, put it in, you can come down here. The generated Spintax might look like my message is all together here, but that's not how it will be when I send it. It will send it exactly the way I copied it. I put both variations here, now I'll click on add. Done, here it is. So what am I going to do? I'll click here, hit enter, okay, I'll move this down, you can see here, look, hi, hello, hi, all right, okay, hello. And down here, the two messages I have using Spintax, there will only be two different messages. I'll come here, look, here to import, you import your numbers, okay? It can be a file, for example, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it's a TXT or CSV file. And manually, you can also paste your number. Since I already have my numbers, just two test numbers, okay? Also, if you want to add a file, okay? For example, a photo file. I'll put one here just to have it here, see? A file, ready, open. I'll put my photo archive here, start sending. I'm going to click here on the account I want to use. You can use more than one account, but here I'm going to use one account. Confirm. Okay, now here the QR code will open for you to log in, okay? There's an option for you to save it within the system. Done, you logged in with the QR code. Now in this case, it will start sending the messages. Here, look, it already pulled the first number. The first message will come through, done. You can see here, look, hi, how are you? Member transfer, no hassle. You can see here it's one type of message. As you can clearly see on the screen right now, it has successfully loaded the specific link here in the browser, okay? Now it is automatically moving on to process the next number in the sequence. And just like that, the task is completely finished and done.